So we're heading into another big week for Palantir stock, which we have to break down the charts in this video, how the stock did last week, what I'm looking to do, and what I think it's going to do in this week. And later in the video, if we have time, we'll break down the indexes and some other stocks, guys. So smash that like button, make sure to subscribe, and don't forget up to 20 stocks from Moomoo with at least a $100 deposit. Use that link down below or go to stocksurfest.com/Moomoo, and for a limited time, your uninvested cash will earn up to 8.1% APY, which, guys, come on, that's a no-brainer. So use that link down below, or again, go to stocksurfest.com/Moomoo. And with that being said, let's dive right into the video. So talk about a pretty good week for Palantir stock. I mean, guys, it's been doing well for weeks, and especially in the last week, although we didn't have a crazy good green week per se, we did consolidate, which is actually a very good sign in my opinion, right? We held around 31, 32. We popped over 33 bucks at one point during the week, but we hovered in the low mid 30s all week, which is very good considering the fact that, and you all know this, but considering the fact that we saw a monstrous last couple of weeks off the lows, right? We hit 20 bucks per share earlier in August. Now we just hit, 33 bucks per share, right? And we don't necessarily expect a stock to go up and away forever, right? That's not necessarily realistic. It's just not. So sometimes all you can ask for is, especially after a big move like that, is sideways action. We don't want to see Palantir give back a bunch of gains right now. It'd be nice if it went up even more, but a realistic scenario is after going up a bunch in a short amount of time is what we're seeing right now, which is flat, sideways trading, consolidation, whatever you want to call it. So I'm very excited with this price action right now for the stock. And here on the 1 hour time frame, you guys can see we're approaching a major level of support, right? We're pretty much at it at this point in time, which is right around, let's see here, guys, $31.50 to about $32 per share, right around here. You guys see that, right? So if Palantir could actually hold above that, which it is right now, but if we get a pop above it, that's ideal, right? That's what we're looking for. If we get the big pop above this moving average, this could arguably be going higher. Maybe we test the highs from Thursday being about $33. If that ends up breaking, guys, you guessed it, maybe more upside from there. So, yeah, let's see what it does at this 180 SMA. And you could also argue, let me actually pull this up right here, that we have an ascending triangle. You guys see this right here. We have an ascending triangle on PLTR, clear resistance at 33 bucks as we are making higher lows into that resistance. So this is actually bullish, very bullish, man. So yeah, let's see if it takes it out. 33 bucks, 33.50 is a big spot of resistance for this week, which if we do take it out, more upside could be around the corner. So $33, let me do that now. Mark is that we're above first alert, and I'll do another alert at $33.50. All right, let's do that. $33.50. Boom. And by the way, guys, smash that like button. Make sure to subscribe. I appreciate you all for tuning in, as always. And sign up to my mailing list. It's free. First or second link down below. Sign up. Put your first name and your email. I'm sending you my top 3 stocks every single Monday morning, again, for free. So don't forget you got Don't forget to do that. Very important, guys. I'm freaking mumbling and jumbling my words here. But yeah, pretty good week for Palantir as the entire stock market. Let's actually go over here now. Let me show you this. As the entire stock market had a pretty solid week as well. Pretty flat, I guess you can say. On SPY, we went from around 550 to 552 on Monday to Friday, or that was Friday rather. So on Monday, we were at about, 553 in the pre-market, and we closed at about 562 on Friday. And we also have, Looks like here on ascending triangle on SPY, probably on triple Q as well. So let's see if that actually plays out, which, again, an ascending triangle is bullish. Yeah, triple Q. We took out that 475 high. Boom. We ran a 485. We pulled back, retested old resistance as support. You guys see that right here. And now we're starting to pop off the 180 SMA as well on the 1 hour chart, which is a good sign. So I'm thinking this week, folks, let me know in the comments what you think. But if markets continue to push after we pretty much got rate cuts stamped on Friday from Powell, I think Palantir is going to continue to rip, or at least trade sideways and slowly start to scale back up. At least that's kind of what I'm thinking at this point in time. And let's see, how close are we actually to all-time highs on the NASDAQ 100 here? Yeah, we're about 20 bucks away, looks like. Yeah, 20, 25 bucks away. So if we do get another pop, take out the highs from last week, boom, we might fill the gap to 490 on triple Q, followed by 505, totally in the cards. And if SPY ends up breaking, you guys can see if I pull it up, we might be actually, wait a second, we're $3 from all-time highs right now, I just realized. So this could hit all-time highs at some point this week, man. We're $3 away, and if 565 breaks, more upside could be coming right around the corner on S&P, the S&P 500 ETF here that I'm looking at least, and a bunch of you look at, which is SPY, SPY. So Palantir, going back to this, we can see on the 4 hour, obviously we're at highs, and I've mentioned this before time and time again on the channel, but realize we get new viewers literally every day, which, by the way, I think 50% of you guys watch but are not subscribed. So make sure to do that, man. Make sure to do that. We're trying to get the 50,000 subs this year, but here on the max chart, let's see. Excuse me, guys. We can see the high from, it looks like November of 2020 was 33.50. Boom. We're pretty much there. We're about to take it out. If that breaks, guys, for all the new viewers that maybe missed me saying this before, the next main level on this chart is $38 to $39 per share, which means, hello, there could be another couple bucks to the upside here, maybe even this year. I'm not saying for sure. It's not guaranteed. I'm not telling you it's 100% going to happen, but man, it looks pretty good for a continuation here. If it really starts pushing 34, 35, I think we could be getting a lot more upside. So guys, PLTR, keep it on the watch list. Watch for this gap to potentially fill. And even if it doesn't, even if it trades sideways, it's still up so much off the lows from $5 per share to where it is now. And year to date, we're still up an incredible amount. So I'm freaking happy either way, man. This year, I had a $30 target for the stock. We already hit it. I thought we were going to hit that by the end of the year, but we hit it like 5 months early. So guys, that's great news. What are your thoughts? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to get up to 20 stocks from Moo with at least a $100 deposit. Simply use that link down below or go to stocksurfs.com/Moo. And don't forget, your uninvested cash for now until the Fed cuts rates will earn up to 8.1% APY. So guys, get on it, and I'll catch you in the next video.